Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting research paper on banana biotechnology. If you're fascinated by plant science and innovative conservation techniques, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore a groundbreaking study by Nitika Vats and Ankit Agrawal from the Department of Life Science at Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal, India. The paper, titled Encapsulation of Banana Shoot Tips for In Vitro Short-Term Storage and Germplasm Conservation, is a deep dive into how we can better store and propagate banana plants using synthetic seeds. Nitika Vats and Ankit Agrawal are the brilliant minds behind this research. They explored the encapsulation of banana shoot tips using sodium alginate and calcium chloride to create artificial seeds. This technique aims to improve the short-term storage of plant material and conserve valuable germplasm. The study investigates how different concentrations of sodium alginate and calcium chloride affect the encapsulation process. Sodium alginate is a gel-forming substance, while calcium chloride helps in forming the gel beads that encase the shoot tips. The researchers tested various concentrations of both substances to find the optimal conditions for successful encapsulation. In their experiments, Vats and Agrawal tested sodium alginate concentrations ranging from 1% to 4% and calcium chloride concentrations from 50 to 150 mm. They found that a 3% sodium alginate concentration combined with 100 mm calcium chloride was ideal. This mix produced beads that were globular, firm, and easy to handle. The encapsulated shoot tips were stored at two different temperatures, 4 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. The results showed that the storage temperature significantly affected the viability of the shoot tips. Shoot tips stored at 4 degrees Celsius maintained their viability for a longer period, showing a high regeneration frequency of 91.33%. In contrast, those stored at 25 degrees Celsius deteriorated quickly, with a regeneration frequency dropping to 61.66% within 90 days. These findings emphasize the importance of low-temperature storage for preserving the viability of encapsulated shoot tips. The study suggests that storing these synthetic seeds at cooler temperatures enhances their longevity and effectiveness for plant propagation. Let's delve a bit deeper into the encapsulation process. The research demonstrated that sodium alginate concentrations of 1% produced poorly coated shoot tips, while 2% formed soft beads that were difficult to handle. Beads made with 3% sodium alginate were the most uniform and practical, whereas 4% produced overly rigid beads. Exposure time to calcium chloride also played a critical role. The researchers tested percolation times from 5 to 30 minutes. They discovered that a 20-minute exposure time yielded the best results, with beads showing the highest multiplication frequency. Too short or too long exposure times resulted in less effective encapsulation. The paper concludes that the combination of 3% sodium alginate and 100 mm calcium chloride, with a 20-minute exposure time, provides the most effective encapsulation method for banana shoot tips. This method ensures high regeneration frequency and better storage viability. This research offers a valuable method for banana micropropagation and germplasm conservation. By using synthetic seeds, researchers can effectively manage and conserve banana varieties, which is crucial for maintaining genetic diversity and supporting agricultural sustainability. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on plant biotechnology and conservation. If you have any questions or comments about this research, drop them below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.